Okay, so in the last class we have seen many things about the Sertoli cell. So it is nerve cell or sustentacular cell. So I am going to tell you now about the anti-Mullerian hormone. Okay, so you know inside the embryo one duct is present called as what? Mullerian duct. What is the name of this duct? Mullerian duct. Actually, this they are not giving host now. This it is creating problem. I am not able to pin myself actually. Here I am keeping. Okay. Okay. So Mullerian duct is found inside embryo. Now what happen? This Mullerian duct forms oviduct and uterus. This Mullerian duct forms what? Oviduct and uterus. So where it is found? This Mullerian duct, it is found inside embryo, and it helps in formation of what? Oviduct and uterus. So this Mullerian duct is found in the embryo of both male and female. But in the male, oviduct and uterus is present or absent? Tell me. Hello? Are absent na? Why? Because of what? This Sertoli cell secretes what? Anti-Mullerian hormone. So this anti-Mullerian hormone, it restricts the growth of oviduct and uterus from Mullerian duct. Okay, it prevents the growth of Mullerian duct in male. That's why in the male, oviduct and uterus not formed. Clear or not? Okay, understood. Now next is minute here. Okay. Now next is what? Secret inhibin and act as blood testis barrier and secret ABP. So I am telling you about the blood testis barrier here now. Okay. So what is the meaning of blood testis barrier? Suppose this is the Sertoli cell. Okay, and the head of the sperm is inserted inside what? Sertoli cell. Okay, this is the sperm. You can able to is visible for you. The head of the sperm is inserted inside which cell? Sertoli cell. Yes, very good. Okay. Now one thing I want to tell you, the sperm is having how many number of chromosomes? Sperm is diploid or haploid? Haploid, na? 23 is means haploid, 46 means diploid. Okay, so it is what? Purely haploid. Sperm is what? Haploid. So all the cells of our body from top to bottom and bottom to top, all the cells are what? Diploid. Only one cell is haploid. That is what? Sperm. In the case of male. In the female also, from the top to bottom and bottom to top, all the cells of the female body are what? Diploid except one cell, ovum. That is what? Secondary oocyte. That is what? Haploid. Clear up to here? So what happens? The immune system of the body will misunderstood that, hey, all the cells are what? Diploid. Why this sperm is only haploid? So what the immune system is thinking that this sperm is somewhat foreign object. It is not of our body. Like in that way, our body immune system will misunderstand. Now that immune system will attack on what? Sperm. Okay, how? The immune system will synthesize antibody against sperm, and that antibody mix in the blood and it will go to the testis to kill the sperm. Understood or not? So what the Sertoli cell is doing? It hides the head of sperm inside it. So because of that, what happened? Antibody not able to detect where the sperm is. Clear or not? That's why Sertoli cell act as a blood testis barrier. That's why Sertoli cell is called as what? Blood testis barrier. Clear or not? Okay. Now next I will talk about ABP, androgen binding protein. Androgen binding protein. So what is the androgen binding protein? I am telling to you. Suppose if this is a transverse section of testis, okay, Transverse section of what? Testis. Inside this transverse section, what is present? This is what? What is meant by ST? Yes, seminiferous tubule. Okay. So inside one testicular lobule, how many seminiferous tubule are there? Like it is the question of NEET. I am asking about NEET. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Highly coiled structure. Okay. So what I am saying is, as we know that these seminiferous tubule are lined by germinal epithelium, primordial germinal epithelium, called as what? Simple cuboidal epithelium. Clear? Now what happens? If we see this seminiferous tubule in an enlarged view, this is what structure? Seminiferous tubule. Now this seminiferous tubule is lined by a, hello, switch off your phone. I mean, not switch off, means mute mute your phone. Who is this? Who has on his mic? Hey, Akshay SVB. Akshay SVB. Mute. Okay. So these seminiferous tubules lined by germinal epithelium. Now what happens? This what cell? Primordial germ cell, also called as what? Spermatogonia. This will do which cell division? Meiosis. And what it will form? What is this? Yes, sperms. Okay, like this is totally lined by this epithelium. Okay, and in middle the sperms will form. Now just by doing this meiosis, how many sperm will be formed? 50 to 100 sperm will be formed. 50 to 100 sperms will be formed just by doing what? Meiosis, cell division of what? Spermatogonia. Spermatogonia will do meiosis. Now we want how many? We want the sperm should. We want that this sperm should be made in the millions. What happened? What's your problem? 100 to 50 to 100 sperm will be produced normally inside each seminiferous tubule. Okay, how much? 50 to 100 sperms will be produced. But we want the sperm should be produced in a million. For that, how it will produce? One thing I am telling to you. See, outside of this seminiferous tubule, the space is called as what? Interstitial space. In this interstitial space, some group of endocrine cells are there. What is the name of that cells? Leydig cells. Are this all thing in last class I have told you na? Interstitial cell. I haven't told. How? Wait. Oh my god. Arey, that's why. Okay. I will tell. No problem. Now last class it was not told. Okay, 1 minute. In this diagram, if you will see here, inside one testicular lobule, 1, 2, 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubule is present. This point already told, no? Now what happens? See, the place inside the testicular lobule where seminiferous tubule is absent is called as what? Interstitial space. Okay, this is what? Interstitial space. The space where seminiferous tubule is not present inside the testicular lobule, that is called as interstitial space. And in the interstitial space, the cells are found. What is the name of that cells? Interstitial cells, also called as what? Leydig cells. Clear or not? I am making it in a cross section view here for better understanding. What happened? What problem is this? Now it is working. Okay, this is what? Cross section or transverse section of testis. Inside the testis, 1, 2, 3 highly coiled structure are present. This structure are called as what? Seminiferous tubules. Okay, now outside of the seminiferous tubule, this space is called as what? In this space, the cells found are called as what? Interstitial cells. Another name of interstitial cell is what? Leydig cells. What is the use of these Leydig cells? I am making Leydig cells here. Here, this all are what? Leydig cell or interstitial cell. Okay, outside of seminiferous tubule. So what is the use of this Leydig cell? Secrete what? Androgen. It secrete what? Androgen. What is androgen? Group of male sex hormone is called as androgen, and its main constituent is what? Its main constituent, very good, testosterone. Its main constituent is what? Testosterone. Okay, clear? Now, as I have already told you, this is lined by the simple cuboidal epithelium or germinal epithelium, and in middle you will find some cells are there. This cell is what? Yes, Sertoli cell. Now what happens? This Leydig cell secretes what? Testosterone. Okay, this Leydig cells or interstitial cells secretes what? Testosterone. Now this testosterone we have to bring it inside the seminiferous tubule. Okay, now for that what happens? This Sertoli cell secretes what? It secretes what? ABP, androgen binding protein. So Leydig cell secrete what? Androgen. Androgen bind to androgen binding protein, and this androgen binding protein will pull the testosterone inside what? Seminiferous tubule. And because of that, the rate of sperm production increases 10,000 times, and millions of sperm will be formed inside the seminiferous tubule. Earlier, how many sperms were there? Only 50 to 100 sperms are producing normally. But when testosterone gone inside the seminiferous tubule, then the number of cells, number of sperm, how much? It is in million, crores. Crores of sperms are there, millions. Understood? So that is the function of androgen binding protein. So this protein bind to androgen and bring it inside the seminiferous tubule, Because of that, the rate of sperm production increased many thousand times, and more number of sperm will be produced. Clear up to here? Okay. Now, see what happened. 1 minute. I will tell. What is the use of Sertoli cell? If suppose this cell, this is what? The sperm head is inside the Sertoli cell. Okay, and they are taking nutrition from the Sertoli cell. So earlier 50 to 100 sperms were there, then no problem. Sertoli cell can manage. But now the sperms are producing in what? Crores, millions. Then what will happen? Million of sperm will come to Sertoli cell. For what? To take nutrition as well as protection and all. And Sertoli cell can't able to bear this many number of sperms. Okay, 40, 50, okay, 1000 also okay. But they are coming in millions. Sertoli cells are less and number of sperms are more. Okay, so that's why now the Sertoli cell will secrete one. What's tracking? Uh, Video is tracking, huh? Wait. I am using this here, but that's why I am using. Voice is clear, students?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
what
sir.
I am saying that this millions of sperm will come to the Sertoli cells to for taking nourishment. Earlier only 50 to 100 sperm were there, then no problem for them. But now continuously the sperms are coming and entering inside this Sertoli cell. So it is become very much burden for the Sertoli cell to provide the nutrition to the millions of sperm. That's why now the Sertoli cell will secrete one hormone called as what? Inhibin. Okay, what is the use of inhibin? Inhibits secretion of FSH from anterior pituitary. If FSH secretion will be stopped, it inhibits what? Secretion of follicle stimulating hormone from the anterior pituitary. If secretion of FSH will stop, then spermatogenesis will not take place. Okay,